the Bask LA. So I wear dip powder on my nails, and I really hate spending time in the salon waiting for them to take them or soak them off. And I want to be able to do it at home. And Instagram made me do it. So I ordered it. It's supposed to allow you to do it at home. So we're going to see how long this takes. I guess I'll start the timer after I open it. It took about 2 weeks to come in the mail. Ooh, okay, power cord. This is the Who's What's It. What's in here? Another power. Oh, attached to the power cord. Okay. These, I guess I'll find out what these are. Maybe they go on the bottom. Okay, Bask LA Steam Pro. Oh, it's very tiny writing. Let me get my glasses. All right, box includes Steam Pro device, 2-piece power adapter, clear trays, replacement finger slots. These are the finger slots. All right, how to use: file off top layer of polish, wait for the device to heat up. When the S turns green, I skipped. Remove your Steam Pro from the box, place it on an even clean surface, connect the power adapter, remove top cover, and pour 40 to 50 milliliters of 100% acetone into the tray provided. Then secure the top cover back onto the device. So I got this, and I have the file, because you have to file your nail down a little bit before you put it in there. Back to where I was before. File off the top layer of polish to break the seal. Thicker applications of product like gel. Acrylic may require additional filing to debulk prior to steaming. So let's set it up. I don't think it fits quite properly like it's supposed to, but let's try to get it in there. Okay. Lights on, so I guess it doesn't go in anymore. That's not well made, but okay. Let's turn her off. Take this off. Okay, so this is how it looks. You stick your fingers in. The tray, twist to open. Here's the tray. There's two. I guess I only need one. This is a replacement tray. So I'm gonna fill it up like it says with 100% pure acetone. It has a little measurement line. Oh, no. Oh, you probably should not do this on your nice table. Don't tell anyone. Okay, tip for your life: don't do it on your nice table. Nothing a little sanding won't help. Luckily, there's a nice film on top of this table. Placemat. Now we'll put down plastic. Okay, we feel better now. Ideally, I would not be doing this in this room. That's where we are today. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on. It has the little groove, so you know you're putting it on right. So we can lock, twist. All right, turning it on. Turning it on. You see a little indicator light? There it is. Well, when the S steam setting light turns green, place your fingers in the finger slots. All right, so while we're waiting for this red light here to turn green, we're gonna file off the top layer. Is it green? Nope, still red. Okay. I thought I was recording all this time. My daughter just pointed out to me that I wasn't. So my nails have been in here for 4 minutes, 58 seconds. So let's check. Oh, look at that. It's peeling. It's all peely. This is good. Let's get our little scraper. See if they come off. Nope. Nope. Needs way more time. All right, back in we go. Okay, so if this ends up taking me 40 minutes, I'm gonna be really annoyed and I'm not gonna do the other hand. I'm just gonna go because the nail salon will close and then I can't get my nails done. And that's not helpful at all. So we're gonna see how it looks at the 10-minute mark. We're at 8 minutes. It's just peeling. It's not way down like I expected it to be by now. And it's not coming right off. It's like half. I could probably get half off. And that's not even on every single one. All right, let's put it back in there. I don't know if this is for dip. I think if I had gel polish on, we'd be good to go by now. But it's been 11 minutes and 30 seconds. Maybe if I did this on a Friday because I was gonna had a Saturday morning appointment, it would be worth it. But if I was in the salon, they would have filed them way, way down. And it would have came right off. This is a lot of polish to soak off, but really steam off, but it's actually soaking it off. I don't have time. I might quit because I'm getting a pedicure too. It's not even close. I don't know that it's doing steaming. I don't feel as if it's steamy in there. It's just warm. And if all you're doing is warming, I might as well take this top off and just put my nails in there. Like it's not warm. Did it turn off? Oh, what is that light? That's not green. So when I go to some salons, they take a bowl, put acetone in it, take another glass bowl, put very warm water in it, like a double boiler, like you would melt chocolate. And that's how they soak off your nails. And that's, if I just put my fingers in and use the other, it's way easier. It comes right off in this little warming bowl. And I'm gonna say that that's gonna be my secret. This is just my warming bowl. It's not steaming anything. I think it must have been on for too many minutes and it puts it in on like a warm mode. Because now it's getting hot again. I'm cutting down my nails today. This is how I know my nails are too long. When I'm putting on my necklace and it's hard to get the clasp together, it means my nails are too long. And I need to cut them down. So I will be doing that today. And it just beeped at me, I guess, because it knows, maybe it knows the top is open. But I'm just scraping the polish off. It's been 17 minutes. Now my other hand is in there. So essentially restarting the timer on the other hand at 17. I should have put them both in this way in the first place. Oh, is this so boring? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so close on this first hand. 20 minutes later. 18:04 minutes later. All right. This hand, it's pretty close. So we're gonna leave this other hand in there. I'll show you a little clip when it's all done. All right, 31 minutes. I took the top off and just submerged my nails in the acetone. It's a little warm. And then I took this and scraped. Because that's basically what they do at the salon. That's where we are. We're cutting them way down today. This one almost done. Just a little bit left. I did continue to file in between. And that took off a lot of the bulk. But how do I feel about it? I feel like if I'm getting a mani-pedi, there's no need because I have time. If I'm getting just a mani and I have an appointment and I have time beforehand, like I need to do something at home, then this is fine. Otherwise, I'll pay the $5 for the soak off. I don't even know if it's $5. I need to check today. But not every place charges for this. It's really just about the time sitting in the salon. It's good enough. But the steaming did not really happen. is what I will say. Okay? Okay. Bye.